Well, welcome to another install.
Absolute best car this guy's ever been in his life.
It's mint. I don't know if you guys can tell, but we're in a mint condition R32 duct tape. Look at that. Doesn't get more mint than this. Anyways, we're installing Energy Quick Release. It's pretty simple. Just need some Allens. Yep, this is how we do the bumper. Yep, that's how the bumper goes on.
Dude, don't step on the ECU.
Oh, shoot. Why is that here? We got an Adam LZ steering wheel. What is that? Is that Adam LZ? You use a 1/8 Allen. I don't know if all of them are going to be like that, but that's how ours is.
Yeah, well, this is, I think these are the bolts that came with the steering wheel, too.
Yep, there you go. So
The other one
if you have an Adam LZ steering wheel, that's how it works.
You gotta relax when you get in the car.
Never lose your... Any metal surfaces we can put it on?
Bro, you gotta chill.
Right there. Never lose your bolts ever again. What'd you drop?
You knocking my GoPro down. Head down. Alright.
Hey, whoa, whoa! Pinching my fingers.
Fair pause you got. Oh my god, dude. Evo owners. Jesus. Both of you. I can't get away from either of you.
I won't hold your...
Alright, guys.
Alright, use these bolts.
These are from the old steering wheel, so
we'll just connect the horn, but it's already got the connections for the horn. Otherwise, you just have to crimp one of these on when you install a new one. This is very safe. You should all do this.
if your car doesn't have
I'm just
ECU on the
kidding.
floor, it's not a fucking car.
Just kidding, don't do that.
You should. Makes it interesting.
Sal is still on vacation. He's not kicked off the channel.
I'm replacing Sal.
Can I rip this dash off?
Just don't. Just chill.
Alright.
Alright, so when you're tightening this down, you want to go in a bolt pattern. Not a bolt pattern.
Star pattern.
Yeah, star pattern. There we go.
How many kilometers does this thing have? 138.
If that's this
138,000 kilometers. Now that we got these bolted on, next, just click her on.
No,
Click.
shit.
Oh,
I missed
you
it.
ruined
Sorry,
it.
brother.
Click. Iconic click. Now,
Shit.
just bolt the steering wheel. Use the bolts that we took it off with onto the quick release. You're probably going to be really close to it now. You got to adjust your seat again.
That is really far.
You're going to have to adjust your seat.
But I like my foot placement. All right, let's
The
see.
idiot wants to drop a bolt.
No, that's your. You want to make stupid jokes about it? It's down there. Look.
Move your head, bro.
Dude, if you're gonna play stupid games, you got it.
I can't
Dude.
see, bro. You're the one making it worse.
All right, bro.
Yep, here it is. Clapped.
I don't know why you're hating.
Clapped.
You're gonna put
Clean your shoes on the ECU real quick.
Bro,
That sounded nice.
what'd you do? That door used to never do that.
I just closed it. I think maybe if you put pressure on it. Who knows?
It's nice.
Now do the same thing. Bolt it in a star pattern.
In a bolt pattern.
No, star pattern.
Just a good old bolt pattern.
Don't snap it though. Don't be like Jordan and lose it or snap a bolt.
You don't have a male or female, so
Connect the horn.
connect the horn that doesn't work.
Just in case you want to fix it, it's already connected. Boom.
Boom. Perfect.
Alright, we're driving it now. It's really loud. Steering wheel.
Comes
Nice.
out a little bit further.
Yeah, it comes out, but that's how you
Like
want it.
A little bit more than I thought. Yeah, I mean, once I have a harness and everything.
We're in Mexico. We are not in the United States.
So,
Just to make that clear. Watch out, there's a car in there.